Hey everybody, excuse the wind noise. I'm out here at a cemetery in Skiatook, Oklahoma, and there's some folklore around this particular plot here, and they call it the witch's grave. Before I get into that, quick kind of channel update. So long story short, apparently everyone who has been leaving comments, the comments were put into like a folder, like a queue, where I was supposed to go and manually approve everybody's comment for like the last year and a half, whatever. I didn't even know this setting existed on YouTube, so I apologize. Didn't realize that. Anyway, I have it turned off, so now you can post comments and they will just go into the comment section as normal. And I appreciate everybody leaving comments. On one hand, I was kind of like, gee, I'm surprised that nobody ever leaves me a comment. And then on the other hand, I'm like, who the hell wants to watch this garbage, right? So I was a little clueless. Anyway, so I figured it out. Thank you guys for the comments. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for watching. These videos are all basically for my friends and family, but everybody is welcome to these videos, and I hope you enjoy them, find them informative, find them strange, whatever, entertaining. Sorry about this terrible wind noise. This is how you know there's a witch buried here, because now on this non-windy day it's getting windy. So here's the story. This grave right here that's covered in concrete, the legend has it that it was a man and a woman, a husband and a wife, and the husband died and the wife was the witch, and the witch, the wife, kept digging up the body and trying to bring him back to life. And that is why they encased this man in concrete, to keep his wife from continually digging up his body. Now, this is some folklore. I really tried to find some additional info on this, and I really couldn't substantiate anything. Let's see, Abel G. Parkhill, born maybe September, and I can't read, I can't make out anything else, so I couldn't even find the person's name. So apparently his name was Abel, and this is the grave. I do want you guys to leave a comment on this. I have seen some graves like this where they're, you know, these like 100-year-old graves that have concrete in this kind of mound, or kind of like, I don't know, almost like a bread loaf kind of shape. And I'm wondering, did people do this on purpose? Was it a style thing? Was it a superstition thing where they figured this is going to keep the spirits and the bodies in the ground? Or was it just like customary at the time? I don't know. So let's see, what can we see here? Boy, I cannot read anything. Yeah, I can't read that. It's way too far gone. Oh, it says can't bring him back. It actually says can't bring him back, and then the rest I can't read. Wow, maybe there's some truth to this folklore. Anyway, very interesting. This is what they call the witch's grave, even though this is the husband. I don't know where the wife or the witch is buried. Couldn't find that. It's in this little cemetery here. It's nice to see people drinking in the cemetery. That's very classy. Anyway, this is in Skiatook, Oklahoma, although I think I'm outside of Skiatook. Skiatook is a small town, and this is a ways north of that. So anyhow, random little adventure for today. I hope you enjoyed. Take care.